How to update files on Dropbox. So to start, we'll have to open our PC shortcut and then we'll have to locate our Dropbox. So in here, as you can see, these are all my files on Dropbox. If I want to update this one, as an example, I'm going to create a new folder. To do that, we'll have to right-click, tap on the new option, and then tap on this folder option. After that, we'll have to add a name. So as an example, I'm gonna add a name as an HR year-end report. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to open my browser, search for dropbox.com, and then simply log into our account. Once logged in, as you can see, it automatically updates my files here on my Dropbox account. The new folder HR year-end report automatically appeared here on my Dropbox account. So once your Dropbox account is synced to all your devices, it will automatically update the files you have on your Dropbox account. So if you want to know on how to sync Dropbox account on all your devices, all you need to do is to check our channel and then you will be able to find a video explaining on how you can sync your Dropbox account. So that's how easy we can update files on Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.